That's a nice smallmouth. Oh, he's being dragged. Holy smokes, you guys. I gotta get a weight on this. Look at that. Look at this beautiful, healthy, spotted smallmouth. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing some creek fishing. Now, there are tons of different species. There's trout, quillback, bass, you name it in this stream. And today we are going to be throwing the most versatile bait. It's a classic to catch all of them. Man, this is just such a beautiful spot. There we go. Some tiny fish, but a little smallie. Easy, buddy. A smallie right there. Oh! Yowza! Man, another chunky largemouth. I don't even know, is this the same one? I'll have to, holy smokes! Holy smokes, you guys, I gotta get a weight on this. Look at that! That is freaking, that is obese. 1 pound and 2 ounces. It's gonna swim off just fine. Some big bluegill in here. You look at that. Nice little crappie. Just a small little crappie here. There's a little turtle down there too. Guy by a crappie. Another little black crappie. Not the size that you'd want to be eating. I mean, you could, but there's really not much to them. Not much meat on them. Look at that. A little popper. Still in pretty decent shape. Put it in the bag. There's one. Probably the biggest smallmouth of the day. Oop, clap. And again, man, chunky smallmouth. They are just fat in here. Just need some age on them, and that'll be a future 5-pounder. Ooh, that's a nice smallmouth. Oh, he's being dragged. Oh, wrong way. Oh, he's digging. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come up. Come up. Oh my goodness. This is a nice one. On the little Rooster Tail. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Man. Still full of fight. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Wow. That one has so many spots. Look at that. Wow. Oh. Look at this. Beautiful, healthy, spotted smallmouth. What a nice fish. On the little Rooster Tail. 2 pounds, 6 ounces right there. And he just swims off just fine.